Growing strawberries in pots can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to enjoy fresh, juicy berries even if you have limited space. Here are some essential tips to help you successfully cultivate strawberries in containers. Choose the right container. OPT for pots that are at least 8-12 inches deep and have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. This ensures adequate root space and helps maintain healthy soil moisture levels. Select the right variety. Certain strawberry varieties are better suited for container gardening, such as avar-bearing or day-neutral types. These varieties tend to produce berries throughout the growing season and adapt well to the confined space of pots. Use quality soil. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. Avoid irregular garden soil, as it may compact in containers, affecting drainage and root health. Consider adding perlite or vermiculite for improved duration. Provide adequate sunlight. Strawberries thrive in full sun, so place your pots in a location that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. In hot climates, some afternoon shade can be beneficial to prevent heat stress. Water regularly. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check the moisture levels daily, especially during hot weather, and water deeply and the top inch of soil feels dry. Fertilize appropriately. Feed your strawberries with a balanced fertilizer designed for fruits, following the manufacturer's recommendations. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. Mulch and maintain. Mulch around the plants with straw or shredded leaves to help retain soil moisture. Suppress weeds and protect the berries from direct contact with the soil. Monitor for pests and diseases regularly. Inspect your plants for signs of pests like aphids or diseases such as powdery mildew. Prompt action can prevent issues from spreading and harming your crop. By following these tips, you can create a thriving strawberry patch in pots, providing you with a bountiful harvest of delicious berries season after season.